ancient art of moist Thai herbal compression massage combines with lava gel mineral energy for an unsurpassed thermal wellness spa experience lasting the entire duration of your service. First, tear off the top of the pouch. Next, pour in hand wash warm water at a temperature you would comfortably wash your hands with. Add water up to the top of the window in the pouch to ensure you make enough herbal tea. With the water and the poultice still in the pouch, squeeze it several times to activate the self-heating natural minerals and extract the herbal tea elixir. You will notice the water takes on a darker color, the color of the natural herbs. Let the tea steep for 3 minutes while the natural minerals heat the poultice. Now that you've allowed enough time for the minerals to heat your poultice and create the powerful herbal tea extract, lift the heated poultice just above the elixir and squeeze it once before you remove it. Use a small bowl or plate to store your poultice when not in use. The poultice will dry out during use as your client's skin absorbs the herbal tea extract. Set the poultice in your bowl or plate. Drizzle the tea extract over the poultice while rotating it slowly by the stem for even distribution. For even absorption, press down once or twice on the poultice. The benefits of the thermal herbal poultice include over 90 minutes of self-heating massage, dramatically increased client touch time, powerful detoxifying and relaxing herbal blends, natural mineral energy activated only by water, and client-exclusive sanitary treatments.
Spa Revolutions stands at the forefront of thermal wellness solutions in our professional beauty industry. The entire thermaBliss collection is dedicated to empowering credentialed practitioners who share our mutual passion for enhancing the client experience. Globally, over 4,000 leading spas and salons use thermaBliss self-heating and self-cooling tools to improve outcomes, delight clients, and increase profits.